Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix BT YouView Box not working after reset, reconnect, update and setup fix. If your BT YouView Box is completely frozen showing a blank screen or stuck on the loading logo after a reset, the cause is usually corrupted boot data or a temporary system freeze. You can restore full functionality by using a built-in safe mode called maintenance mode to reinstall the operating software. First, force open the maintenance mode menu. Turn off the power switch on the back of the UView box or pull the power adapter cable out. Then press and hold on the physical down arrow button located directly on the top or front casing of the box. Next, choose the correct reset path. Once the maintenance mode screen loads, navigate using the physical arrows on the box or your remote if it responds to choose your repair strategy. Option A factory resets, keep recordings. Recommended. Select this first. It completely rewrites the operating system files and resolves boot loop bugs without wiping any of your saved television shows. Option B factory reset, delete all. If option A fails or throws an error, you must select this. This wipes everything and formats the internal hard drive, clearing major file system corruption. Once selected, let the system process the command. Do not touch the power cord for 5 to 10 minutes while it reformats and triggers a clean startup. Next, reconnect and rerun setup. Once the box boots up into the blue Let's Get Started configuration screen, configure these elements to prevent another crash. First, bypassing the internet error. If the box freezes during setup, your router might be rejecting it. So ensure an Ethernet cable is securely plugged directly from your box to the yellow LAN port on your BT hub. Avoid using power line adapters or Wi-Fi during initial configuration. Next, check the HDMI port. If you get a black screen right after setup completes, unplug the HDMI cable from the box, wait for 10 seconds, and then push it firmly back into a different HDMI port on your TV. Next, note for BT Box Pro, EETV Box Pro users. If your model has a single reset button on the side, turn the power off, hold the side reset button while plugging power back in, and within 3 seconds press and hold the front power button simultaneously until the logo shows up. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.